Hey, I'm Frida with WTI. I'm up here in my kids' room to show you this amazing light. So this is from BlissLights and it is the Evolve Galaxy light. I love it. It really helps them at bedtime because it's so soothing to sit and watch the variety of colors that it shows on the ceiling. This can be controlled through an app on your phone, through the button that's on here, or through your smart home device. Alexa, turn on Evolve.
Okay.
So my particular favorite to do on it is get on the app and you can set up your own routine. And so it turns on at a certain time at night and turns off in the middle of the night or in the morning or whenever you choose to have it done. So I like to have it turn on just before bedtime. So when they come up at bedtime, their room is already this blissful, sleepy area. I really like that you can also just control all the different colors that you want the galaxy to show. The speed in which everything moves, you can control whether the stars are on and off. And it covers such a large area of their room that it's actually the entire ceiling all the way down on the wall and parts of their beds too. And they just really love that. If you have kids that really struggle with wanting to sleep in their own beds at night, getting them something special like this is a really good idea to encourage them to stay in their own beds all night. And that's my point of view.